Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Game Pass Ultimate and a stable network. That's the core requirement. Once confirmed, install the Xbox app or open Xbox. .com/play in Chrome and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure Bluetooth is on and pair your controller now so it's ready. While the app installs, check phone power settings and disable battery saver so background streaming won't be throttled. These first steps get you into the cloud environment quickly and prevent common early interruptions. Once paired, open the Xbox app and tap Cloud or play on the web to see available titles. Select a game and before launching, choose streaming quality. Pick high for 20+ Mbps, balanced for 10-20 Mbps. Make sure your controller mapping looks right. Test buttons in a quick free demo. Also, disable VPNs and close apps that use bandwidth or CPU. This reduces frame drops. If you're on mobile data, enable data saver or limit quality to avoid hitting caps. You're ready to tap play and join a streamed session. Input lag should be minimal on fast networks. Once in, adjust in-game sensitivity and controller dead zones to match streaming delay. If video stutters, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or mobile 5G, move closer to the router, or plug into Ethernet via USB-C adapter for best stability. If problems persist, restart the Xbox app, reboot your phone, and run a speed test. Those 3 steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.